Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. Accenture is hiring for System and Application Services Associate 2022. Let us have a look at job description. Now, as you all know, Accenture is a global professional services company. It is one of the top 10 IT companies in the world. So let us have a look at this position, that is System and Application Service Associate 2022. Now in this position you will get to work on application or cloud engineering. You will also get to work on project control services. If you do not like coding, then no problem, this is definitely for you. Low and no code app development. Then you can also go into testing and automation engineering. Okay, so what are the requirements? All stream/branches of MCM, MSc, MA, MCom, MFA, BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, BBA, B vocation, BMS and other 2022 graduates are applicable. Okay, so you can definitely apply. If you have a part-time education or a distance education, then you will not be considered. Okay, no active backlog during application. Okay, as per say the 4th and 5th semester, whichever is the latest, you should not have any active backlogs during the onboarding or during application. So maximum 1 year gap in education is allowed after 10th standard, and you should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment assessment interview process in the last 3 months. Even if you have appeared, you can use a different email ID and then apply. Okay, this is the best solution. So this is a really good opportunity for all you guys. Please do apply. All the links will be in the description box below. Let us have a look at how to apply. Sources. So the first thing would be source. The source, you can select a social media advertisement and then you can click on others because you are watching this YouTube video, and this comes under other. You can write your name, your middle name, your last name, your university registration number, your email ID, your primary contact number, and you have to give WhatsApp consent. Now why do you have to give WhatsApp consent? Because they will give you updates on WhatsApp, and this is the reason they want the consent. You can enter the alternate mobile number. Your date of birth is mandatory. You can select your gender, and then you can select your residing state. You can select any state and the city that you are residing in. Your highest education, you can click on postgraduate or graduate as per the education that you have. Professional details. Now there is a note: do not include internship experiences. Okay, so you can enter your total experience: 1 year, 2 years, months in months. Okay, 1 to 6 months, 7 to 11 months. Okay, and do you have any other offer in hand? You can click on yes or no. Okay, now skills, you can enter all your skills, whatever skills you have: C program, C++, Adobe, .NET, Android, anything. And secondary skill, your secondary skill can be any of the above. Okay, certification details, you can enter the certification that you have completed. You can enter 2 types of certifications, you can do that. Then you can select any language. If you have done any foreign language course, then you can select that. Okay, what would be, you have to give 3 job locations. So you can select either first can be Pune, then second can be Chennai, and then third can be whatever you like Bengaluru or Mumbai or whatever. And then gap details, if you have any gap, then you can enter here. I think you will have to enter the certificate as well. And have you worked in Accenture full time? No. If you have not worked, then you can click on no. If you have, then you can click on yes. Okay. Then do you have a standing backlog? So you should not have a backlog mandatorily. Ideally you should not have a backlog, but if you still have it and you are able to clear it before your 6th semester, then you can apply. Okay. And have you appeared for Accenture in the last 3 months? You can click on no because you are using a different email ID. Okay, please select your nationality. You should be from India, right? And you can attach your resume and your passport size photograph. Now there are certain rules that you need to follow while attaching the resume and the photograph. You can go on this page and you can check it out. Okay, you can I will refresh it and then I will show it afterwards. Okay, you will have to enter your PAN card. And then you'll have to, I guess, enter the PAN card number. Then do you have a disability? No. You have to give a consent and declaration. You have to declare, and you have to click on I agree. And then you have to read this carefully and click on yes or no as per you wish. Now you can submit and you will receive a registration email from Accenture, and thus your application is successful. Okay guys, please do apply for this position. This is really good position. Now comes the main point, which is for what if I have done BE BTech or ME MTech. So Accenture will soon start the registrations for all the BE BTech, ME MTech students. Okay, so please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and keep on watching. Thank you so much.